Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video I am going to do a review for this beautiful Polene's handbag. I'm going to give you guys an honest review, my first impression, the pros and the cons, and later in the video I'm gonna show you guys how I styled this bag. But before we get into the video, I also want to show you guys when I first unboxed this bag, so let's get right into it. Let me introduce again. This is the Polene's handbag. It is in Cyme collections and in chalk color. It's more like an off-white light gray color, which I was looking for, so I'm really happy about this. I decided to go with this color because I realized I have a lot of black handbags, so I need to get a change, and this is absolutely beautiful. I got to know Polene's handbag from social media. I've seen a lot of influencers using it, so I decided to get my hand on this bag, and I am so happy with my purchase. The style of this bag is just so cool, the way they function it, and on top of that there are many ways to wear this bag. This is the smaller version. There is another size which is a little larger, so I want to show you guys closer. This is the front. Here is in the size. There is a strap right over here, which I will show you guys way to wear it. And here is in the back, exactly the same with the front, except doesn't have the Polene logo in it. And here is the bottom. To be honest, this handbag seems very good quality. This bag made with full grain texture craft leather, and the interior made with suede inner lining. And let me show you the interior. There is a snap button right here. The inside has some pouch that you can put your essentials if you want to keep some kind of receipt, wallet, or something important in here. I love the idea of the tote bag that has a little pouch on it, because I think it's way easier to find the stuff, and especially the important stuff. I think this is a very smart idea to have it. I want to show you guys the details on the pouch. Has the Polene's logo on it, and it's such a good quality, to be honest. The hardware is in gold finish. very easy to open and close, so that is pretty good. As you can see, there are two straps. There is a shorter strap and the longer one. You can use the shorter strap for the top handle, or you can use the longer strap for the shoulder bag, which I think that is so functional. And you can extend the bag like this, which gives you a different feeling. I would extend it when I have a lot of stuff going on inside my bag. There are plenty of room in this bag, so this bag is actually very practical. I would say I have all of my essential right here, and I'm gonna show you guys what fit inside, and let's see if this MacBook fit inside, because I am so curious. This is the 11 inches MacBook. It's actually fit. I mean, the way it fit like this, because the bottom is way more narrow. So, I mean, I can still bring it if I want to, but I would just say it's not really fit. But if you really want to put it in, I think you definitely can. Now I'm gonna try with my iPad. See that? And then I am going on with my books. This is my notebook, the book I've been reading. So yeah, let's try with that. Like, look at that. I have my makeup bag, which I'm gonna leave them there. My sunglasses, my phone, my wallet. I think it's a little too much, so I took the notebook off. I wanted to put the bottle of water, but it's kind of full. But let's see. You definitely can if you really need it. Let me take everything out and try the other ways, because I feel like this might be a little too much. Okay, so let's try again. I'm going to put the iPad first, because the iPad seems to take a lot of space. And then I'm gonna put my books. This is the book that I've been reading. So let's see. Let's try with the bottle of water. My phone, this is 14 Pro Max, so let's try. I also have my hand sanitizer and this makeup bag, so let's put everything inside. It's not really organized, but I'm pretty sure it will fit. This is how it looks inside. Take a lot of space, very full right now. It's like I kind of find the problem of these small versions of this bag, which is the narrow bottom. Might be affected with if you want to put some kind of MacBook, books or something, it might not fit in it. If you want a small to-go bag that you can put a lot of essential, I think this is the best bag for you. But if you are planning to have this bag as a work bag, I would recommend to get the bigger versions. In the box, it's come with this card. One is just the Polene cards, and the others is like the instructions of how to wear the bag. You can take those strap off and then attach with the opposite side and give you more secure. I don't know how effective that's gonna be, but I think it's a pretty cool idea. So now let's talk about the pro and the cons of this bag. I would say the pro of this bag is obviously this beautiful minimalist design. I love the look of this bag. The way it functions is amazing, and there are plenty of rooms, as I said. I love the material it made with craft leather, which means it doesn't show the size of scratches, and the price of this bag is very affordable. I got this bag for $350. With the quality, designs, and functions, I think it's worth the price so much. And the most important thing is there are many ways you can wear this bag. There are so much details in this bag, 2 different shape, 2 strap. I think that is beyond the price. Speaking of the con of this bag, I think I see only one thing about this bag is that there's no zipper on this bag, so it might be a little hard to use when it's rainy day or to who concerns about security. But other than that, I think this bag is the perfect everyday bag. Yeah, that is basically about it. Now let's see how I wear this bag. That is it in this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe, and that's gonna help me a lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.